Hmm. Hello friend, today we are starting one issue how to download Visual, Visual Code in Windows 8 because many times this happen Visual Code are not available for Windows lower version, okay, for Windows 7 or Windows 8, okay. So if we are going to the Visual Code website and go in download button, here we see the version available only for Windows 10 and 11. For Windows 8 or lower than this two version 10 or 11, the no download installer was available. If we are trying to download this, we see error downloading, but this is not working on Windows 7 and Windows 8. Wait for some time to complete the downloading. Once download finish, we will try to install it. Okay. If you are trying to install the application, then such error occur. This program does not support to version of our Windows or a system is running. मतलब our computer में the versions were not supporting. Okay. So for this we need to go for lower version. That's why we are going in updates and I am trying for the version July 22. It is available for Windows 7 and for Windows 8 I'm check for January 2023. If your version your computer Windows is 7, then go with July 2022. Here click to download. Once download complete, go for installation. I was go with January 23 because my system version is Windows 8. Okay, I'm clicking here for my PC. Download this version for my Windows 8 system. Both are compatible. We are trying for first or second is doesn't matter. If I trying to installing this version, it able to uh, install, but I was already installed. That's why I'm not installing it again. For similar for 23 January 23 wala, it also ready to install. Thank you.